Hi, my name's Josh. I'm an attorney, and today is January 5th, 2018. This video is about USI-Tech and their announcement today that all distributorships in the United States and in Canada with the company have been summarily and extraordinarily terminated, effective immediately, because of regulatory and other concerns that have occurred in relation to their products. We're making this video and we've put up this website and we're offering the related services because the principles that are involved with this, our families and our friends have personally been very heavily involved with USI-Tech and very heavily invested. And they stand to be very significantly affected by what's going to occur with USI-Tech in the near future and in the long-term future, possibly. So we're here because we truly care and we're truly affected by this personally. Anything that is said in this video, though I'm an attorney, because I don't know the specific facts of your case or your matter, your issues, what's gone on between you and USI-Tech in the past, cannot be considered legal advice and shouldn't be considered legal advice. And should you ever find that you need legal advice, you should seek that out and get specific legal advice and counsel in the jurisdiction where you exist and live. But part of what we're trying to do here with this website and these services is to help people find their way to the right places that they need to be to protect themselves. That's part of what we're doing here. This video in part is meant to cover our services, what we're trying to do, how we're trying to help people, and I'll go over that. My background is as an executive and as an attorney. I'm a licensed practicing attorney. I'm actively licensed and inactively licensed in various different jurisdictions in the United States. I actively practice in my own law firm, which I founded. My legal background is primarily in corporate and business law, mergers and acquisitions, in other words, very large security transactions, stocks and mergers and acquisitions of companies, securities in general, and investments in general. And then as an executive of large sophisticated corporations, and as well as in-house general legal counsel and as external legal counsel for large sophisticated corporate or business entities. So that's my background. USI-Tech states that they're going to continue to pay the amounts of money on the BTC packs and the investments that they have offered in the past, trying to assuage some concern on that point. However, they do say that they're going to offset any amounts of money that they're going to pay out based on case-by-case individual investigations into everyone's accounts. And they will offset any amounts they're going to pay you based on harms that they internally and exclusively claim that they think that they're going to suffer because of any double registrations of double accounts, or people who have registered a personal account and then a business account, or a personal account and then possibly a self-directed IRA account under their own personal account to put in retirement investment monies or other large sums of money into an IRA type investment account. So the company is going to be looking at that, scrutinizing that, and they have publicly stated in their announcement today that they will actually be offsetting. They're looking to offset any monies that they're going to pay out to anybody based on harms they perceive in their sole and exclusive discretion that they are going to experience because of those kinds of things. The bottom line here, the reason this website is up, the reason I'm doing this video, the reason we're offering these related services is because the bottom line is we don't have any idea of what's going to occur next. We don't know if USI-Tech is financially solvent. There's no transparency on that. They're not publicly traded. Their books are not open to anybody, and anybody's guess is as good as anyone else's guess. The ability to continue to pay on amounts that are owed, any amounts that are owed to anybody, obviously directly relates to the company's financial solvency and the ability to pay, which requires continued profitable operations of the company. Unfortunately, it's believed that the United States was a very, very large portion of USI-Tech's business, if not the vast majority. of it, and therefore that will have a significant impact on the company's continuing future financial viability moving forward, and therefore that will have an impact on their ability, presumably, to pay on investments in BTC packs or any other products. At this point, because of what has occurred, because of the public stance, certain things that the company has publicly stated, expressly stated, it is necessary and advisable and just smart and common sense for you or anybody else involved to start to take steps to protect yourself and to protect your property. There will probably be a desire to hope that nothing will happen, and to cling to hope, and to just kind of sit on one's hands and not take action, hoping that things pan out. But taking action early is the best way to try and get the best result in a situation like this, when an investment firm is experiencing some kind of difficulties, as clearly is now the case with USI-Tech. They've left Canada and they've left the United States. Again, my name's Josh. I'm an attorney. I'm not your attorney, but maybe I should be.